If you're looking for a delicious vintage holiday dessert, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, last month I made for our vintage series the ambrosia salad, and it was a huge hit. I had so many people tell me that it reminded them of their grandmother or their childhood. So I thought I would bring another fun holiday dessert back this month as well. So today we're going to be making the Cranberry Fluff salad. It's a simple, easy recipe to make. The hardest part, and it's not hard, it's just you got to mix a little bit up, refrigerate it for a couple of hours, then pull it out, finish the dessert up, and then it needs to be in the fridge overnight. But other than that, this is a great make-ahead recipe. So let me stop talking, turn the camera down, we'll go over all the ingredients, and then we'll get started. So I have 2 bags of fresh cranberries. I have a bag of Mini Marshmallows. That is my sugar container back there. I have some glazed pecans. You can use regular pecans, toast them if you want. I just love glazed pecans. I think it steps up a recipe a notch, so I'm adding those. I have 2 8-ounce cans of crushed pineapple. You can get a larger can, 16 ounces. I just bought 1 can thinking, I don't know what I was thinking. I had to go back and get another can. And then I have the large Cool Whip. And that is all the ingredients we're going to be using, my friends. It's very simple. All right, my friends. So we're going to start off by taking our cranberries and putting them in a blender. So I just have my handy dandy little blender here. I'm going to have to do it in sections because I have 2 bags of cranberries I'm going to use, so I'm going to need to do that a couple times. I did open one of the bags up and took out a couple cranberries just for decoration for the top, so you don't have to do that, but if you want to, take them out now because I know if I wouldn't have done that, I would have forgotten. So let me go ahead, turn the camera down, we'll put our cranberries in here and get them. I think we only need to like pulse it for about maybe 6-7 times. You kind of, you don't want to like obliterate it, but you do want to get it like into almost like a jelly looking kind of thing. So let's turn the camera down. All right, my friends, we're gonna go ahead and put these in here. Ooh, don't want to lose them. See how many we can get in. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. Oh, help if I put this in here. Alrighty. Ah! Y'all didn't see that. Alright, so now I have my bowl here. I have a very large bowl. Go ahead and dump that out in here. Oh my goodness, I'm making a mess. Alright. Yeah, I put way too much in that. Alright, can you see that? I'll give you a close-up shot so you'll know. Alrighty. There we go. See that? Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of this up, and then we'll come back and get the second part done and get it in the fridge. Alright, my friends, I have all my cranberries minced up, and it just kind of looks like a relish here. And now I'm going to take 1 cup of sugar, and then we're just going to mix this really well and then put it in the fridge and let it sit for a couple hours. Alrighty, I'm just going to mix this up really, really well. And like I said, you want to sit it in the fridge just for about 2 hours. I have to go to work today. Today is a half a day, so I'm going in earlier, and I get out a little bit earlier, so this is the perfect day for me to get this done. I can put this in the fridge, and it'll be in there for about two and a half hours, and then I'll come home and then mix the rest up, and then we'll leave it sit overnight. Okay, and I'll give you a quick peek of what that looks like once the sugar's mixed. There we go. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and put plastic wrap on, put this in the fridge while I'm at work, and then when I come home, I will go ahead and mix the rest of it up. For me, it'll be a couple hours. For you, it's right next. Alright, my friends, I am back from work, and let me see, 3 hours? Yeah, it's 3 hours later. So I am going to, I have my cranberries here. I'm going to take the paper off. So it's been with the sugar for about 3 hours. And then I'm going to go ahead, I took both cans, or your 16-ounce can, and just drained it. And I'm going to go ahead and add it in here. Then we're going to add our pecans. I did get my little chopper out and chopped it up. It's not real fine, but I did just, you know, in pieces. Alrighty, so let's turn the camera down and get started. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add in our pineapple. Like I said, I just made sure it was drained really well. And then I'm going to add in my nuts. Okay, alright, now let's give this a good stir. Alrighty, make sure it's mixed really, really well. Go. We're getting there. Alrighty, take a look at that. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and put in our Cool Whip and then our marshmallows. Alrighty, make sure your Cool Whip is thawed. You want to make sure you take that out early enough that it's thawed. This is 16 ounces. Yeah, 16 ounces, I thought it was. And we're going to go ahead and fold this in. Okay, I'm just going to fold it in. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Let's get those cranberries off the side. There we go, look at that. It's beautiful. Chasey knows I'm in the kitchen and he's not smelling anything I'm cooking, so he's probably wondering what in the world I'm doing. Friends, this is really pretty. This would be perfect for Valentine's Day as well with this pretty color. I just want to make sure everything's mixed up well. Alright, it's looking good. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead, take my bag of marshmallows. This is a, how many ounces? I think it's 10. Yes, 10-ounce bag of marshmallows. Just dump that right in there, and then we're going to fold those in. And friends, as you can see, they're pretty small. We're going to leave this in the fridge overnight. And what happens is they will soak up that moisture and they'll expand and they'll be a lot fluffier. So it's going to be much better after it's been refrigerated for a few hours or overnight. Alrighty, let's just fold this right in. There we go. All right. How pretty is that? Look at that. This is perfect for Christmas or Valentine's Day. I mean, it's perfect for any time, but the color is just gorgeous. See how we have that there? We need to make sure it's mixed well. I think we have it mixed, my friends. And then like I said, it'll just absorb and get fluffier after it's in the fridge. It's all nice and stirred well. I'm gonna cover it, put it in the refrigerator, and what I'm gonna do is come back in a couple hours, like maybe right around dinner or after dinner, and put it in a really nice bowl and show you what it looks like. That should give it plenty of time to start really soaking up and fluffing up a little bit. And then I'm gonna take it into work tomorrow morning when I go in. But I thought, let's do a quick little taste test just out of curiosity, because I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't ever remember having this. Let's try it. Mmm. Wow. Sweet, but it's good. Oh, making my jaws tingle back here. Oh. Not bad. Not bad at all. So what I'll do is put this in the dish, take a picture of it, insert it so you can see what it looks like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you ever had it, please comment below and let me know. If you plan on making it, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. So friends, thanks so much. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.